Good morning, everyone. I'm Amrit Maldonado from the Panther team at Prolifics. Today I'm going to give you a demo on how to modernize your Panther menus using ribbon menus. What is a ribbon menu? Alright, this is my Panther application, my Panther screen, and my ribbon menu that appears on the upper top of my Panther application, which is where my menus should really go. Think of ribbon menus as graphical control elements in the form of toolbars that can be placed on several tabs. Notice I've got a home tab and a color tab. Very cool. Now there are many controls out there, but we have chosen to use the ActiveX control by Xcontrol called XRibbon. This is the JPL that loads the ribbon behind our Panther screen. Current component system tells Panther that we are using an ActiveX control. Now ribbon.txt is actually a file that we created manually using the XRibbon GUI editor to draw out our ribbon menu. And the rest of this function basically calls methods of that particular control as well as sets properties of that control. So drop us an email if you'd like to know more about how to use ribbons within your Panther application. Thank you very much.